Hey friends, Billy from LM Cases here, and today we're going to take a look at a very cool case that we just finished up. So this is a SKB I-Series case that is designed to hold, as you can see, a bottle of Grey Goose and a bottle of Titos and 6 glasses. So this is a demo kit that we did that is branded with the company's name with a custom silkscreen on the lid of the SKB case and also on these custom glasses that are in here, which are pretty cool. So a little bit about the case. This is an SKB I-Series case. This is featuring a ester-lined lid just with regular ester foam, and you can see in the lid here where there are these little indentations in the lid. That's from the glass. So interesting thing about foam is that it absorbs shock when it is in a state of compression. So oftentimes one of the sort of black art skills of, a case company is the fine line of foam being in a little bit of compression so that it touches, and then also it being too tight. So we do want to see a little bit of just marking on the foam here just to see that it is grabbing the glasses here. So looking at the foam insert here, this is made out of Crosslink foam in here, and then this is a piece of 1/4-inch marine grade plastic on the top. So the glasses sort of yielded this little Frankenstein cutout here, but this is just for finger slots here. So when you pull the glass out, you can do it pretty easily. So I'm shooting this with a gimbal in the other hand and using my left hand, and it's pretty easy. So looking at the insert here, we leave a little bit of a gap around here so that the glass is always in contact with the foam, but the top portion is giving you this nice finished look of plastic here. So looking at the bottle of Grey Goose here, you pull this out, and you've got a really nice looking insert here as well. So this top piece, all the edges are routed so that this is just a very nice and finished look here. That carries over to our Titos bottle as well, with a little finger slot in there. Pretty easy to remove. So giving yourself a look at the insert there. So this top cap concept, we do this on a lot of different applications, specifically audio monitors. We do this a lot. So if you've got a heavy audio monitor and you're dragging it across the case lip and into a foam insert, you don't tear it up. So we just thought it'd be a really nice look. So anyway, pretty simple case, but the contents I think are very cool. So just wanted to show you guys that. If you have any questions, you can email me direct, billy@lmcases.com, or check us out, lmcases.com, or our store, lmcasesonline.com. Thanks so much for stopping by. See you soon.
My God said I'm an ant on a hill, right between the others. He said that they're my brother.